In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to N8N effectively and seamlessly. If you're looking to automate workflows and integrate WhatsApp into your automation toolset, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and walk through the process, one step at a time. To get started, you'll need to navigate your way to the Credentials section within N8N. Once you're there, look for an option called Create New. This is where you'll be setting up a new connection with WhatsApp Business Cloud. It's essential to select this correctly to ensure that your integration functions smoothly. With that done, the method of authentication you will be using is through an API key. This ensures a secure and stable connection. So, how do you get this API key? Well, it's time to head over to Meta Developers. Within Meta Developers, you'll have access to your app's settings under WhatsApp. You'll want to look specifically for the API setup, because this is where the magic happens. Now, there are two critical pieces of information you'll be obtaining here. First up is the access token. This token is crucial as it acts as a password of sorts, granting N8N permission to communicate with WhatsApp on your behalf. Make sure you store this token securely and keep it readily available, as it'll be vital for this process and possible future tweaks or adjustments you may need to make. The second key piece of information is your business account ID. This ID is unique to your WhatsApp business account setup and acts like a user ID that differentiates your account from others. Just like with the access token, you'll find this as well in the API setup section of Meta Developers. Now, armed with your access token and business account ID, it's time to return to N8N. Here, you'll input these credentials into the designated fields under your newly created WhatsApp Business Cloud credentials. The access token goes into the access token field, and the business account ID into its respective slot. As you proceed through this process, keep in mind the importance of entering your information correctly. Tiny errors like an extra space or a misplaced character could prevent the connection from working as expected. Double-check everything, and don't hesitate to go back and review your entries if you're unsure. Once your credentials are correctly filled in, save your changes. With everything properly set up and saved, your N8N should now be connected to WhatsApp Business Cloud, ready to help you automate your workflows and communications more efficiently than ever before. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident in managing this integration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips and tutorials. Thank you for joining me today, and happy automating!